In this video, we are going to review the DID manager. Your DIDs, or direct inward dialing, are all the phone numbers that your company has purchased from DCDial or from other providers. The DID manager is where you store all of your company DIDs. For DIDs purchased through DCDial, the DID manager is where you define where incoming calls to your DIDs are routed and enable SMS messaging for DIDs. It is important to note that options for DIDs bought from other providers are limited. DCDial only has full control over DIDs bought directly from us. To access the DID manager, click on the Administration tab, select Inbound from the left side menu, and then click DID Manager. If you have purchased DIDs through DCDial, they will automatically show up here. Numbers purchased from DCDial will have a DCDial logo here. For more information on how to purchase DIDs from DCDial, please see our billing video. For DIDs that you purchased from other carriers, upload numbers by importing a file or add DIDs one at a time. To add an individual DID, click Create DID. Enter the DID number and a brief description, and then click Create. You will be sent to the DID Modify page. Again, note that DIDs purchased from other carriers cannot be managed by DCDial. However, they can be used as caller IDs, callback numbers, for external queues, or for call monitoring, and you can configure this under Company Numbers. In the DID Modify page, you can also see if a DID is associated with a regional caller ID list. When you are done configuring your DID, click Submit. To upload a file of DIDs, click Upload DIDs and choose a file from your device. And then click Next. Once the file is uploaded, add a description to each number. To apply the same description to all DIDs, click the checkbox at the top of the column. When you are done, click Submit. For DIDs purchased through DCDial, configure destination options individually in the Modify page or through bulk change. In bulk change, write a description for your DIDs, and in DIDs purchased through DCDial, select a destination for your DIDs. Then specify your selection in the drop-down here. Agent Unavailable Destination is only applicable if you have selected Agent in the Destination column. If the agent you specified is not available, then you can configure here where the call will be routed to alternatively. To activate the DID, click the shield icon. DIDs must be active to be used by the DCDial system. When you are done, click Submit. In the Modify page, you can also associate DIDs purchased through DCDial with the blacklist. This will block all blacklisted numbers from making calls to this DID. Under Recording, choose whether this DID can be used for call recording. Finally, designate whether this DID can be used for SMS messages using the Enable SMS toggle. Two-way SMS allows this DID to send and receive text messages. When you are done configuring your DID, click Submit. To make your DIDs available for use in DCDial, configure the phone numbers in Company Numbers. To learn more about this, please see our Company Numbers video or refer to the help file. You are now ready to use the DID manager.